Hey Diesel Mechanics, this is Carlos once again with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys this MX13 MX11 control module right here. This control module has 3 connectors. Usually the faulty connector is the C connector, the bottom connector, which is a 92 pin connector. Today I'm going to show you guys what to do if the plastic lever, yellow lever, either it's broken or has been taken off or lost. Um, this lever comes with this connector right here, so there's no way of purchasing just this section right here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to remove this connector without having this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need a flathead screwdriver just like this, and what you're going to do is you see these maroon or red, what do you want to call them? Hold on, let's see if I can get these. There we go. So that's in the lock position. You see these two right here, maroon or red plastic, you can say inserts. The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna push those in with your flathead screwdriver. So this is what you're gonna do first. You're gonna push this one in right here, push in, and then you're gonna push in the other one. Try to focus the camera. It's right there. You push this one in just like that. Once you push those in, this connector should come out loose. Hold on. So I guess not. So one thing you're gonna do is there's these maroon ones here. You can barely see them. Here, you probably see them better over here. Here's one side of them right there. You're gonna push those the same direction as you push those two inserts in. Push them far right. You push the other one as well, far right. And while you're pushing those, you're gonna lift the connector up. Push the other one. You're gonna push it again. And then that's how you remove this connector. So once again, you can go the opposite way to lock this in place. Just like that. And then you push these far in, just like that, to lock it in place. Now you have those two inserts back in its location. And then once again, I'm going to show you guys one more time. You're going to push this insert all the way so it stops. And then another one over here, right there. Push. And then you're going to go to these red ones and you're going to push them the same direction as the other ones. Right there. Trying to get right there. Push them, see? And then you're going to go to the other side and you're going to do the same thing. And while you're pushing these, you're going to lift the connector up. And that's how you remove this 92 pin C slot connector. And if you need a new connector, remember we have repair kits in stock. It comes with the connector. It comes with the cover that goes on these connectors. So all you gotta do is do that and cover the wires. And it comes with a bundle of wire 1 foot length with the pins crimped and the wire sealed as well. As you can see, here's a sample right here. You can find these repair kits on our site at erdpowertrain.com, or you can email us, call us. I'll leave the information down at the bottom. And remember, stay connected with the ERD Powertrain. Catch you later.